This is how I used to store my cast iron pans. The problem was that when I tried to pull one from the bottom, I had to move all the ones on top, and they are heavy. That's why I want to tell you about this heavy-duty pan organizer that I just got. Hi, I'm Silvia from Mamá Latina Tips, and I want to tell you how impressed I am with this organizer. I was looking for something that was very strong because, cast iron is heavy. And I noticed that this, even when I push it, it's a little flexible, but it's super strong. I like the levels have different heights, so it gives me some options to put my pots and pans. And it comes with the hardware you want to attach in the bottom using these holes. And this is a soft pad to protect your surfaces where you're going to put it on. Let's see it in action. I'm not using the hardware because I'm going to put it vertically in my kitchen rack like this. It fits nicely and it saves a lot of space. I'm going to start with my cast iron Dutch oven, and as you can see, it fits really good in the lower level. And then I'm going to put my cast iron grill and then my skillets on the top. I love how every level is high enough to put the pans in and out without any problem. And that's it. I really love how organized everything looks, and it's gonna make my life so much easier in the kitchen. Let me push it a little. You see how well it holds the weight. It doesn't feel like it's gonna tip. It feels actually pretty solid. I hope this review is helpful to you if you are in the market for something similar to this. Have a great day.